So guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banking Crypto Night. So guys, in this video today, I want to show you this node DePIN. I want to show you a new one called Blockmesh. You can see it right here, Blockmesh. So this is exactly like grass, like the others that we have been doing. Exactly, you connect the same way you connect grass, but one thing about this is that you make your first verification here, that is your email verification, you will make it right here. From here, you can download their extension. So if you want to join this, check the description of this video, you can join it and start accumulating your points. As you can see mine right here, and start accumulating your points every day when you run the node. Like right now, they are still in the beta version of this node. They are still on the beta version of it, so you can still run it and earn a lot of points right now. You can earn a lot, run it and earn a lot of points right now. So if I were you, I will quickly check the description of this video and use the registration link there to register. I will drop the registration link there in the description of this video. So after that, the next thing you need to do is either you want to do it on your phone or you want to do it on your PC, that is on your laptop. If you want to do it on your phone, then you have to download either Kiwi browser or Mrs. browser. Kiwi browser, this Kiwi browser on your phone. To run it on your Kiwi browser, either you download it on Apple Store or on Play Store. Kiwi browser is either you download it on your Apple Store or on your Play Store. Download your Kiwi browser and use it to run it. Or if you don't want to download Kiwi browser, then you can download Mrs. browser and run this thing here. So after that, the next thing to do is to click here on your Blockmesh. Click here, make sure you verify your email also. Make sure you verify your email. So after that, you have to click here and download the extension, or you can just go to your Chrome and search for Blockmesh extension. Just click on download here and it will download. It will take you to the page where you are going to download the Blockmesh network extension. All you need to do is to just click on download, add Chrome here, add extension here, then click on it here. Immediately it add up to your account, immediately add up to your Chrome. You have to click up here, click here, click here and search it out. You can see my own it here. So after you search it out, the next thing to do is to log in with your details, that is with your email and with your password. Just log in with your details like this. Just log in with your details and that is it. Just log in with your details, and so that is it. So I've logged in with my details right now. It will log in and I will, as you can see, this is right here. Now the next thing to do is to click on dashboard. Click on dashboard right now and it will direct you to your account direct. As you can see, it's refreshing and it will direct me to my account. You can see this is my account right now, and today I have earned a total of 2031 of the points. 2031 of the points right here. That means as at this morning I only have 76,765 here. 76,765 here. And right now it's now 78,796. So that is how you do it. And as you can see, my network connection shows connected. So Remember, when you are running this, it might not show your point immediately, so you have to wait at least 1 to 2 hours, 3 hours, then you will start, then you can refresh it here or on here, and it will keep on showing your point. So let's keep on doing this until the last day, until the last day, until the last day. Don't forget to click on proof of humanity, connect Twitter, follow funder, and connect wallet. Also, you need all these. You need all these 4 things right here. So quickly do it. Click on proof of humanity. Click on that. If you are having issue, click here. So click here. I am human. Click on I am human to do your proof of humanity. So this says select the images matching the toy in the example video image. So the images that matches this, I think that is it. Ask me to select another one again. So I think these are only 2 train here. So that is it. Now click on submit. Please complete Cloudflare captcha. I've done that already. So this is how to do your proof of humanity. Wait for the Cloudflare, wait for it to load, then prove the humanity again here, prove you are human, then click on submit. So wait for it to show. As you can see, human verification done. Now go, click on go, then you can go back again and do the rest. Go back again and do the rest. Now click here and follow the funder on X, that is on Twitter. Follow the funder on X. Just click and authorize. Click and authorize the network. Wait for it to load. It's loading. It's loading. Now log in with your Twitter S account. Click on login. So now click on authorize app. Click on authorize app. So it show you are not following at blah blah blah. So I need to follow it. I need to follow this account on Twitter before I can do that. Now, so you can click on go back and do that right now and follow this account, the account. So after you follow it, right now it will take me back to dashboard. So just go to your Twitter and follow the account, then do the what you they ask you to do. So after that, click on connect Twitter first. Let's first connect our Twitter before we go to follow funder. Proof of humanity has given me at least 1,000 points. Authorize. Let's wait for it. You are not following Blockmesh, so you can go to your Twitter account, then search for Blockmesh. Let's see, maybe I'm following them up. So search for Blockmesh. Blockmesh. So this is here. You have to follow these two accounts. Now click on it, then follow. One. As you can see, I follow the first one. Go back again, search for it again. This is the second person. Search for the second person, Blockmesh. So this is the second person. Click on it and follow this guy also. Follow him. So I have followed the guy right now. So the next thing to do is to redo what they ask us to do to prove our humanity. Wait for it to load. Go to pick, then connect Twitter. We are redoing it right now. Connect Twitter. So Blockmesh want to access your X account. As you can see, it's success. That is it, success. You have to follow the account before you do the verification there. Click on back again, then click on follow funder to receive your extra 500 again. Wait for it to load and authorize the account again. Authorize it again. As you can see, success also. So let's go and do the last requirement, which is wallet connection. Connect wallet. Now they ask, we want to connect wallet. Is either we connect with our software or with our Phantom or backpack wallet. If you have any of it, connect it. If you don't have it, as you can see, I have my own here on my system. If you don't know how to get it here on your system, just search for Phantom extension on your Chrome, then it will bring it out. So let me bring out my details. So unlock. So here, connect wallet. Connect. I am connecting my Phantom. This is how to connect your Phantom. If you are using phone, you can use the same method. If you have Phantom on your phone, confirm. As you can see, wallet connected. So that means I have connected my wallet to this account right now. I have connected my wallet to this account right now. Let's refresh the page and let's see. Maybe they also give us something on the wallet connection. So you can see wallet multiplier 1.1. So right now they have not give anything for connecting wallet. The only thing they will give by connecting your wallet is your points when it converts to token or coin. That is what they will give to you. You can see my wallet is connected right here. So I have done all the necessary things. So these are everything you need to do on Blockmesh and how to run it. Just keep your laptop or your phone active. Let the data be active. Just leave it like that. Just leave it like that. Let everything be active. So that is it. That is everything you need to know right now. If you want to refer some of your guys, your friends, this is what you need to do. Here, this is where you're going to do it. Click on copy invite link. You can edit your invite link here. You can edit it here. You can apply for referral bonus here. Referral bonus is applied in background. So that is it. You can apply for it. Invite 25 friends. From here you can know your rank. I am currently at apprentice. I'm an apprentice in my ranking from novice to apprentice. Some people are already on journeyman, while some on expert, and some on master and grandmaster. So those are the rank on this Blockmesh. The last rank is legend, and that legend you need to have at least invite up to 1,000 people and you have about 25 million points. So that is it. So guys, I hope you understand the video and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. This is what I do here on the channel. I share different updates on how to make money online, notes, some airdrop, testnet airdrop, etc. like that, etc., etc., that can have value to your life. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Guys, goodbye for now. Don't forget to come back for more. Thank you.